What you're about to hear is not just another motivational speech. This is your roadmap, your spark, your push to turn late-night ideas into real income and quiet dreams into loud success. If you've ever felt stuck in the 9 to 5, if you've ever felt like you're meant for more, if you've ever wondered what would happen if you just started that side hustle, then this is for you. This audiobook will guide you step by step, not through theory, but through truth. You'll hear what it really takes to build something from scratch. You'll learn how to start with what you have, how to find your passion and monetize it, how to manage your time, build momentum, and keep going when motivation fades. You'll discover how to serve your first customer, earn your first dollar, and grow a business that could one day replace your full-time job. And more than anything, you'll learn that success isn't just for the chosen few. It's for the consistent, the committed, the ones who start. So take a deep breath, because your journey from side hustle to success starts now. Let's begin. Every great success story begins not with a grand gesture, but with a single step. One small, brave decision that says, "I'm going to try." That moment might come late at night after a long shift, or in the quiet hour before dawn while the world still sleeps. That moment might be sparked by frustration, by inspiration, or by pure necessity. But it always begins with belief, belief that there must be more, belief that you're capable of something greater, and belief that your time and energy are worth investing in yourself. That's how side hustles are born, and that's how lives are changed. In today's world, depending on just one stream of income is not just risky, it's dangerous. Jobs come and go. Economies rise and fall. But the skills, ideas, and drive you carry inside of you are assets no one can take away. A side hustle is more than just extra income. It's a training ground for your future. It's a personal revolution, a quiet rebellion against waiting, against stagnation, against settling for less. It's how you build your dream business, one small win at a time. You don't need to know everything to begin. You don't need the perfect plan or the fanciest equipment. You just need the courage to begin with what you have right where you are. Because every master was once a beginner. Every expert was once a rookie fumbling through their first steps. The difference between those who succeed and those who don't is not brilliance. It's consistency. It's the willingness to keep going, especially when things feel uncertain. Start where you are. Use what you have. Do what you can. You may have a full-time job, a family, or 1,000 responsibilities on your plate. That's okay. You're not building your dream life overnight. You're building it hour by hour, day by day. 1 hour of focused, intentional effort a day adds up to over 350 hours a year. That's over 9 work weeks of progress without ever quitting your job. That's the power of consistency. You see, building a side hustle isn't about waiting until you have more time. It's about reclaiming the time you already have. It's about swapping an hour of Netflix for an hour of learning. Replacing scrolling with creating. Shifting from consuming to producing. It's about asking yourself each day, what's one step I can take toward my vision? And then taking that step, over and over again. There will be days when you're tired. There will be moments when you question if it's worth it. That's normal. Every dream comes with doubt. Every journey comes with resistance. But you keep going anyway, not because it's easy, but because it's yours. This is your life, your potential, your future. No one else can build it for you. And let's be honest, you're not just doing this for the money. Yes, income matters. Yes, financial freedom is a goal worth chasing. But more than anything, you're doing this for what it means. You're doing it for the independence, for the confidence, for the ability to wake up and say, I own my time. I own my future. I built this. That feeling, that's priceless. Your side hustle doesn't have to be flashy. It doesn't have to be perfect. What it has to be is real. It has to be something you believe in. Something that solves a problem, meets a need, or brings value to someone else's life. And when you do that, when you create something that helps others, success becomes inevitable. People will pay for value. They will return to authenticity. They will support those who care. So ask yourself, what can you offer? What skills, knowledge, or experiences do you have that someone else needs? Can you teach, coach, fix, design, write, sell, serve, or build? The answer is yes. You absolutely can. The key is starting small. Test your idea. Talk to people. Put it out into the world. Learn by doing. You don't need 100 clients. You need one. Just one person to say, yes, I need this. That first customer is your proof of concept. From there, you grow. And growth doesn't mean going viral or getting rich overnight. Growth means progress. It means refining your offer, getting better at your craft, improving how you serve. It means building relationships one at a time. It means creating systems so you don't burn out. Because the goal is not to hustle harder forever. The goal is to hustle smarter. To turn your time into assets. To build income that works even when you're resting. That's what real freedom looks like. You'll hear people say it's too late. That the market is too crowded. That everything has already been done. Ignore them. There is always room for someone who cares deeply, serves consistently, and shows up authentically. The market may be full, but it's not full of you. And your voice, your story, your way of doing things, that is your superpower. It won't be easy. There will be setbacks. You'll try things that don't work. You'll have to start over sometimes. But every failure will teach you something. Every mistake will shape your skills. And over time, you will get better, stronger, wiser, and more confident. And that's when magic happens. That's when you look up and realize your side hustle isn't just a hustle anymore. It's a business, a brand, a legacy, a living, breathing extension of your creativity, your grit, and your vision. That's when you realize you didn't just build something profitable. You built something powerful, something meaningful, something yours. And let's get real. Some people will not understand your journey. They'll say you're wasting your time, that it's too risky, that it's not realistic. Smile politely and keep going, because your dream doesn't require their understanding, only your commitment. If you've made $1 on your own terms, celebrate it. That dollar is more than income. It's evidence, proof that you can do it again, proof that you've started something others only talk about. Keep building, keep learning, read the books, watch the tutorials, take the courses, ask the questions, and then take action. Education is valuable, but execution is everything. You don't learn business by just studying, you learn by doing, by failing forward, by improving a little every single day. You'll be tempted to compare your journey with someone else's highlight reel. Don't. Comparison kills progress. Your journey is your own. Measure your success by how far you've come, not how far you have to go. Celebrate every milestone, no matter how small, because success is not a finish line. It's a habit. Soon, your side hustle will start to pay more than expected. It might replace your grocery bill, your car payment, your rent. One day, you may realize you no longer need your 9 to 5. That day will be both terrifying and thrilling. That's when you'll know your life has changed. But don't rush that moment. Let it come organically. Build wisely. Save aggressively. Prepare fully. Because walking away from a job you hate is one thing. Walking into a future you designed with intention is another. And that is the goal. You're not chasing a fantasy. You're building a foundation. You're stacking skills, creating assets, learning how to manage your time, your money, your energy, and most importantly, your mindset. Because success isn't just about doing. It's about becoming. Become the kind of person who doesn't need external validation, who leads with value, who shows up even when no one is watching. Become the kind of person who honors their word, especially to themselves, who commits, who finishes, who follows through. And finally, never forget your why. Why did you start? Why does this matter? Keep that reason close. On the hard days, remember it. When you feel like quitting, read it. Your why is your anchor, your fuel, your reminder that this isn't just about business. It's about freedom, about purpose, about living on your own terms. You don't need anyone's permission. You are ready now. The journey will be messy. It will be uncertain, but it will also be worth it. So go, build, serve, grow, create. From side hustle to success, one step at a time. You've just taken in powerful tools, real strategies, and a mindset shift that can change everything. But remember, the journey doesn't end here. This is only the beginning. If this message lit a spark inside you, if you're ready to keep growing, learning, and building your dream life, then don't stop now. Subscribe to this channel for more motivational audiobooks, step-by-step guides, and real talk about money, business, and success. Every week, you'll get powerful content designed to move you forward, to keep you inspired, focused, and taking action. Because success isn't about luck. It's about showing up again and again. So stay connected, stay committed, and stay in motion. Your future is waiting. Let's build it one step at a time. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this with someone who needs it. And remember, your hustle has the power to change your life. We'll see you in the next one.